My achievements in brief: my school Sri Koteshwar Vidyalaya and Junior College Gove, Taluka and District Satara, Maharashtra. Name of headmistress Mrs. Vibha Vijay Sable. Education qualifications MSc, MEd, DSM and Diploma in Yoga. Experience as headmistress 2020 to present 5 years. Teaching subjects science and technology. 32 years experience of teaching science subject. Hobbies reading, teaching, numismatics and philately. Current collection include approximately 700 coins, 150 foreign currency bills and 500 postal stamps. Publications: published 2 books, Disha Navopkramachi, Direction of Innovation, Educational Activities, Marathi Nibandhamala, Model Essays, published multiple science articles in state level Vigyan Varta magazines, 5 articles published in renowned newspapers and periodicals. Butterfly project success story include in Unique Academy Book 2016. Participation in educational and co-curriculum activities. Member executive body of Satara District Science Teacher Association. Member of Gyan Vignan Samuday, a national level scientific organization. Active participation in AIDS awareness, environmental conservation and Andhashraddha Nirmulan Samiti. Served as examiner and expert guide in various competitive examination at taluka, district and state level, as well as moderator. Contributed articles to the Bhabha Research Center Science websites. Initiative implemented to improve educational quality. Develop an innovative action research project on chemical reactions and molecular formulae for classes 8 to 10. uh, Received a state level innovation award. The project has been included in the class 8 science textbook. Organized scientific literature competition. Conducted science rangoli competition. Initiated a science club innovative initiative introduced during the headmistress separate laboratories for every subject: Marathi, English, mathematics, science, geography, social science, etc. And Atal Tinkering Lab establishment approved by the Government of India. Established an artificial intelligence lab through private institutional support. Introduced a mobile science laboratory supported by REIT Pune. Upgraded to a modern library, new sanitation facilities for boys and girls, digital classrooms, CCTV surveillance in all classrooms, self defense lathi kati trainings for girls, Malkham trainings for boys and girls, modern gymnasium and yoga classes, Bureau of India Standard BIS Club, modern computer laboratory. Skill based education includes MSCIT training and approved MSCIT center, spoken English, distribution of school bags and bicycles to weaker background students through Parivartan Foundation Pune, installation of 3 kilowatt solar power system, RO drinking water purification system for students, outcomes achievement during the headmistress tenure, school secured first rank of taluka level in the chief ministry, my school beautiful school campaign, received 5-star rating in the national clean and green school competition, achieved ISO 2015 certification, science project selected for national level competitions during academic year 2023 and 24, science drama selected at divisional level, 3 girls selected for international level Lathikati competition year 2025 to 26. School scout team participated in the national jamboree year 2024. Multiple scholarship achievements in state scholarship and NMMS examination. Research paper and eco club selected at divisional level of competition organized by Diet Satara. Students secured first rank in Maharashtra in the state geography talent search examination. Students won prizes in essay writing, elocution, and science drama competition. Awards and honor received in 2009 Gyan Mitra Award by Mahatma Gandhi Mission Knowledge Promotion Center Bid. In 2010 Mahatma Jyotirao Phule Award by Vasundhara Environment Organization Karad. In 2011 Expert Guide Honor by Maharashtra State Educational Laboratory Employees Federation. In 2012 Savitribai Phule State Level Ideal Teacher Award by the Government of Maharashtra. In 2012 Ideal Teacher Award under the National Fellowship Award. In 2013 Professor Dr. Sumatibai Patil Ideal Teacher Award by Satara District Headmasters Association. In 2015 Ideal Teacher Award by Vishwaganga Foundation. In 2024 and 25 Innovative Headmistress Award by the State Geography Exam Center, Mumbai. Thank you.